Hello everyone. So right now we're going to talk about how to apply some simple conditional formatting on our cells here in Excel. So let's take a look at this particular table here that contains this data. So we're tracking the quantity of this particular product in the different stores that we have here, north, east, downtown, etc. Okay, so here we see the status of the quantities that we have, or that we have in storage in these stores. Okay, so if we see OK, that means we have sufficient quantities. If we see order, that means we need to order. That means we lack the amounts of this product, and we may run out very soon. Okay, so how do we apply a conditional format here where, for example, if it's okay, it's going to be, let's say, green. Okay, the color scheme is going to be green, while if it is order, it's going to be red. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is to just select this section here that contains all the status information, and then I'll go to conditional formatting and say, okay, highlight cells rules. Okay, and I want to specify a condition where I want to check the text that's found inside the cell. Okay, so if it is okay, then it's going to be green, and if it is order, then it's going to be red. So I'm going to choose this option here, text that contains, and I will type here in the first cell, or the first field of the form, let's say okay, right? Oh, I'm going to use capitals. There you go, okay, right? And I'm going to use a color scheme that is this one here, the third one, which is green. So you see that, let's see, there. Okay, let me just hide this one. There we go. See, I'm going to use the green one there. Okay, let me just zoom in again. There you go. Okay, so since I've chosen the green option, I'll just click OK, and notice now that the cells here that contain the word OK are now in green. Okay, so that's the conditional format. So for example, let's say this one here is not 50 anymore, it's 14.9. I think that 50 is our threshold. If it's less than 50, it's not going to be okay anymore. That means you need to order. See, the green color has been removed. Okay, so I'm going to type 50 once again, bring it back there to 50. Now, how will I make the word order appear in red? So I'm going to be selecting the cells once again, and apply another conditional format where I'm going to go back here, highlight cells rules, and go back to text that contains, and this time I'm going to type the word order. Okay, there. So if Excel finds the word order within these cells here, it will I'm going to choose the red color here. Excel is going to display those cells in red, so I'm going to click OK now. There, see, so the ones that are OK are in green and order in red. So similarly, if we're this one's here in this conditional format, we're using, or we're evaluating the text content of these cells. But this time, let's take a look at this other example here where we have numbers. Okay, so we want to set a sort of like a quota for these salespersons, and it's $10,000. So if they've sold $10,000, it's going to be green. Okay, that's our conditional format. And if it is not, if it does not reach $10,000, it's going to be red. Okay, so I'm going to select these cells once again, okay, or rather this new set of cells. I'm going to go here. This time, go back to highlight cells rules, but this time I'm going to choose something else. If it is less than, I'm going to choose that one first. If it is less than 10,000, okay, so I've chosen less than. And so here at this section there, I'm going to type there, if it is less than 10,000. There you go. And if it is less than 10,000, I will be choosing the red color, okay, the red color theme. And I'm going to click OK right now. Okay, so notice all numbers that are less than 10,000 are in red. So what about the numbers that are 10,000 and above? So let me try and apply another set of conditional formatting on the same cells. I'm going to go back here to highlight cells rules. Now I don't see here any more than or greater than or equal to among the choices. So I'm going to go here to more rules and format cells that contain no oh yeah, there it is. See, I'm going to look at this lower part of this form where I can really formulate my condition there. And I want to say that if the cell value is not greater than, but greater than or equal to, what amount? 10,000. Now I'm going to be formatting it to look like green. Now, however, in this case, I cannot choose a theme color or, an automatic color. I'll have to set the conditional format myself, okay, meaning the colors and all that. Let me just zoom out. Hey, there you go. So I'm gonna have to choose the font. Maybe I want it bold and I want the color of the font to be green, or maybe black or dark blue. I'll just choose dark blue for now. And then for the fill, I want the fill to be in green. Maybe I'll choose some green color right here. Maybe this one. Maybe a lot more green like this one. And then I'll click OK. There, so that's how it's going to look, the format. And now I'm going to click OK. There, see? So that green color with the blue text is applied to numbers that are 10,000 and above, while the numbers that are less than 10,000 are in red. Okay, so that's conditional formatting. First, we tried conditional formatting on cells that contain text, and in this second example, we tried conditional formatting on cells that contain numbers. That's our lesson for today. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye-bye.